Foremost, I would like to show you how to install Tableau into your computer. The easiest way is to just Google Tableau on your browser, and we will have the Tableau homepage. That is tableau.com. Click on that, and this directs you to the homepage of Tableau. Tableau has several products such as Tableau AI, Tableau Desktop, Server, Cloud, CRM Analytics, Data Management, and Tableau Public. In our case, we'll use Tableau Public because this is the free version of Tableau. To download, just go to Tableau Public. It redirects you to the download page where you are required to sign up or sign in. If you are new to Tableau, please sign up and fill your details. After the sign up process, log in into a new account